Hello and welcome to my series, Coloured Pencils for Beginners, Class 3, Luminance Sketching, Dynamic Textures with Coloured Pencils. Have you always wanted to know how to use coloured pencils to produce gorgeous textures and effects? Want to learn some new techniques, tips and tricks? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, then this class is perfect for you. My name's Imran, I'm a graphic designer and illustrator, and I'm totally obsessed with coloured pencils and art materials in general. I've been using coloured pencils for many years now, many different brands and types of coloured pencils to do sketches with, in my sketchbook, on a daily basis, on scraps of paper, on larger surfaces that I do complete illustrations with that are ready to frame and print. This is the third class in my series, Coloured Pencils for Beginners, which will build upon the techniques and the knowledge that we learned in Class 1 and Class 2. In this class, we will look at 3 awesome techniques to build some fabulous effects and textures. And we will demonstrate this by using the illustrious pencil known as the Caran d'Ache Luminance pencils. We will look at the basic supplies that are required for the class. Then we will delve into the exciting world of creating colour textures that are easy to produce and look absolutely fantastic. We will move on to designing highlights with some amazing tools that you may or may not have seen before. And finally, we will apply different mediums to create interesting shadows and dark tones that can be fully embedded into our lovely illustrations. We will then bring all the techniques together in a beautiful, easy to follow, step-by-step full sketch. On completing the exercises within the lessons and the full sketch, you will then be ready to delve into the wonderful world of magical coloured pencils and produce your own beautiful sketch in your class project. So what are you waiting for? Grab yourself a nice drink, get yourself some nice treats, get them pencils sharpened, and let's get ready to start the class.